Looking for the best 3D printers under $500? In this video we look at some of the top 3 3D printers under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Comgrow Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. Pros: upgraded design fixes quirks of the previous model, such as an improved extruder. Quick heat-up time. If the power goes out, it can pick up where it left off, resume print later on. Some filament is included, but you'll want to buy your own as well. Price is low. Cons: several hours of assembly are required. Bottom line: this is a great value for the money. However, assembly will be much easier if you have a bit of background knowledge or DIY expertise. At number 2. ELEGOO SmAouW Photocuring LCD 3D Printer. Pros: comes with the latest version of Chitubox slicing software and boasts 1-minute printing to slice 30 megabits. STL model files. Arrives semi-assembled so you can start printing within minutes of opening the box. Has 3.5-inch touchscreen that offers a seamless user experience. Cons: some components are subpar, and users often replace or upgrade them. Bottom line: an affordable option for a beginner printer that comes with a few bells and whistles. At number 1. FlashForge 3D Printers. Pros: calibration leveling is fairly easy with built-in checks and balances to make sure you're doing it right. Easily controlled with touch screen. Build plate manipulates well. Some filament is included, but you'll likely want to buy your own. Good tech support. Has Wi-Fi, USB, and flash drive connectivity. Cons: a few durability concerns have been reported by owners at the 1-year mark. Bottom line: a handsome 3D printer with lots of intuitive help built in for the beginner. This is a smart entry-level purchase. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.